Right, together now. Drive it!
Giant steam boilers are lowered into the ship's belly by the heavy lift crane. The first of the 4 iconic elliptical funnels is lifted high above the deck. Workers on the top deck guide the massive funnel into its casing using thick guy ropes.
The promenade deck's steel structure is covered with thick planks of Burmese teak. The
Caulkers use mallets to drive oakum into the seams between the deck planks. The entire teak deck is sanded by hand using large blocks of sandstone called holy stones. The slipway is greased with 20 tons of tallow and soap for the launch. The final wooden shores, or supports, are knocked away with heavy sledges. The final wooden shores, or supports, are knocked away with heavy sledges.